One more constraint that we can add to our table is the unique constraint. The unique constraint is going to make sure that all values in that column are different, so all the values will be unique. Again, it is different than the primary key in a sense that it will allow null values. So I went ahead and created a department table having department ID, which is the primary key of the department, and then department name followed by manager ID. And what I did is I also included a foreign key to reference the manager ID to the employee table. This part is not necessary for what I'm trying to do here, but I'm trying to link my tables together and make them make sense. So when I describe the department table, you can see that I have primary key and it's not null, and then I have department name, it can be null, and it doesn't have anything in here. So what I will do is I will go ahead and comment this part out. Comment this part out as well. And what I will do is I will add a unique constraint to make sure that department names are different. So what I will do is alter table, and then the table name is department. And then what I will do is I will add constraint. So add constraint, and the constraint needs a name, so DEP underscore name, for example, and then UNI for unique. Okay, and then I will say the constraint type is unique, and what I need to make unique is basically the department name right here. So I need to make this a unique attribute. So let me try to run this, and then I will see that I have UNI here as unique attribute. Another attribute that I can add is basically the not null, so I can make this not null. And to do this, it is changing the column in the table. So we'll change from an old column to a new column, changing the column definition as we've seen before. So let me comment this part out, and then alter table, and the table name is department. And for the department table, what I need to do is I will change the old column, which is manager ID, to my new column, which is basically going to be the same thing, manager ID, and it's going to basically be an integer as it is, but I will say this time it's not null. And then I will have a semicolon to allow me to execute both queries at the same time. Now, as we can see, this is the same column, but it's not null. So these are two of the constraints that we can add in our table.